Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. This is the lesson on reflections across the x-axis and y-axis. I forgot to record the lesson or the video for reflections across the x-axis. Just look over here and you can see the answers right over there. The blue one is the answer. The red one was actually our function. And a lot of you realize really quickly here, we are multiplying the y values by -1. So that's why the 2 changed to -2, the -1 changed to 1, the 1 changed to -1, and -3 changed to 3. And when you plot them out, that's what we get in blue. The answer to the second part of the handout, if you're looking at the reflections of function handout, it talks about invariant points. The invariant points are points that lie on the x-axis. So I think you can read that from the PowerPoint and from the notes. Basically, we are actually understanding the effects of A. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen at home, I apologize that was fast, but here we go. We're looking at this part. Sorry, Owen. And we'll take a look at the same question here. And notice we are looking at when K is negative, and it means that we actually affect the x-coordinate by negative. So watch carefully here. I think everyone's understanding the y values. This can be 2, -1, 1, and 3, still the same values. But with the negative x, that -4 becomes 4, that 0 doesn't stay the same, 4 becomes -4, and that 6 becomes -6. And some of you are going to realize that I'm going to take this exact same example, the red one, and we're going to reflect. This time I'll use yellow chalk so you guys can see it. So this -4, -4 and 2 becomes 4 and 2, is that right? Yeah, 4 and 2, so it's over here. Maybe I should redo the one, but let's too late now. This one's going to stay the same. And then, what do we got? -4 and 1. So 10. And then, what is that last one? -6. And -3. Okay. Did I do that right? Oh, I did that right. -4 and 1. Did I do that right?
I think it's supposed to be negative.
Oh, that's supposed to be -2, right? Yeah, that's my fault. Good job. That's why it's different. -6 and -3. And so, what you're getting from the red one, those are the reflections. Right? So they're swapping. It might be a little bit cleaner on your handout when you see it though, right? Because you can see that mirror image across the y-axis. Thanks, Owen. Okay. Any questions about that, ladies and gentlemen, from the class? And again, any variant points for that? I think a lot of you agree. One clear one was the 0, -1. Any points that lie on the y-axis would be invariant for these reflections. Okay. Notice, regardless of what we're talking about, ladies and gentlemen, even from home, we're only doing translations and stretches or compressions or reflections. We don't do any rotations, no rotations. Rotations actually hard, and our car is a combination of actually what we're doing. Let me just stop this video.